Hello traders, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinla Kine, I'm the lead instructor. So guys, in this video I want to give you the simple strategy to trade Crash 300. Based on popular demand on Crash 300, a perfect strategy that I've seen so far on how to trade Crash 300. This carries no indicators, you don't need any indicators, it's just market structure and price action knowledge, you understand? So you can see on my screen that you can see some horizontal lines. So those are the things you need. So I'm going to delete everything and explain into details how you can use a strategy to make money trading Crash 300. You know, Crash 300 is one of the very volatile markets under boom and crash. You understand? So, and it's a strategy that doesn't really obey any indicators. You understand? So most of indicators don't work on Crash 300. That is why I come up with this simple approach to Crash 300. So what you can do for yourself now is just to watch the video to the end of the end. You understand? So watch this video to the end. So if you are new to this channel, I welcome you to this channel, and if you are returning subscriber, I also welcome you. So if you are new, please click on subscribe button, share and like this particular video. It is going to be a very um good video for you because Crash 300 has a lot in terms of making money in trading. Crash 300 is one of the best markets that can give you what you want very fast. You understand? If you have a good strategy trading Crash 300, have a lot of money to yourself. So what do you need? And there's this thing about Crash 300. If you want to make good money, use higher time frame. The higher time frame, the recommended time frame is 15 minutes time frame for this particular strategy. So first of all, I'm going to delete all these lines on my chart, and you can see the zoom I'm using. So you can also zoom your chart. That is first zoom so that you can actually see the market very well. You understand? You know, when in any market, when price is trending, we say the price, assuming uptrend now, is from higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high. So once the market is falling, it's from low, 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 high, low, 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 high. So there are some certain level whereby when market moving, there is always consolidation, like between the buyers and seller. That is your area of interest. You understand? So you will be waiting for a winner outside this box. So once you notice the consolidation between the buyers and seller, you will patiently be waiting. You won't join them in this fight. You understand? It's a fight between the buyers and the sellers. You won't join them. What you are waiting for, you are waiting for the winner to join the winner. You understand? So how do you pick this out on the chart? You can see that this trend now is coming down. Suddenly you see this. You see that the market is consolidating at this area. You understand? Based on downtrend, you don't have to react to this. You understand? So this strategy is very good in buying. And you know Crash 300 is defaulted to buy. You can actually use it for sell also. That is to catch spike. So I'm going to explain that also. So once you have seen that there's a structure here and the market break it upward, it should mean that there's a change of character, which means the trend is about to change. That is not what you actually need. Listen, I have not arrived to the strategy. So I'm just trying to explain some certain things that back up the strategy. So now that you have confirmed the trend, that the market is going up, you'll be waiting for the place the buyers and the sellers are fighting. You understand? We got one here. You can see the market is consolidating. Let me zoom out and so that you can see it clearly. You can see the market is consolidating. No buyers or seller win here. So, and suddenly this candle break out the fight. That is your area of interest. Let me bring up my horizontal line again. This is where the fight, this is where you will put your horizontal line. So any breakout of this line is going to be your entry. You understand? So let's assume you got this entry now. So you just enter for buy immediately at the close of this candle. You enter for buy. You understand? So once you're lost, once the price turn back to this level, you will exit the trade. That is this level, you will exit the trade, but it doesn't really happen like that. Once you confirm the breakout of the consolidation, that is the fight between the buyers and sellers, once you confirm the breakout like this, enter for buy immediately. So, and there's some good thing about this strategy. That's why I said you should use higher time frame like 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame. Is because if you see the signal at the beginning of a new trend, it is very easy for you to add to the position. You understand? Let us assume you buy from that place, and again, you see the buyers and seller fighting here again. You bring out your horizontal line again. You confirm this breakout again. That is another position for you. You enter from there again. You enter for buy again. So that is how you will be doing it. You can see this consolidation again. Sometimes once the breakouts happen, you may see a retracement back into that position like this now. The breakouts happen. Let's assume you enter from this place. The retracement happens back, but it does not hit your stop loss. You understand? So the strategy is very effective when it comes to crash 300. You understand? When it comes to crash 300, the strategy is very effective. So another thing to know when trend is going to change, like I already explained earlier, now you can see in this place that markets break this structure here downward. That should be giving you the insight that market is going to change trend. You understand? Anywhere you see consolidation in an uptrend or downtrend, and you see that the next trend break below that level, you should know that you should start doing the opposite now. That is how the strategies work. If you don't understand this video once, you can watch it again so that you understand it better. The strategy is very effective. It doesn't need any indicator, doesn't need anything. Just look into the markets, find a consolidation area. When the buyers and sellers are fighting, look for the winner in the direction of trend. If you take note of that, in the direction of trend, that is where the market is coming from. That is where it's going to continue. That is just it. So, guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.